Hello and welcome to another spelling list breakdown video. I'm Mr. Spelling, and this week we have 15 words that all contain the diagraph TH, making the sound th, as in thumb. Now the TH can make two different sounds. It can make the voiceless th sound and the voiced th sound. But this week all our words have the th sound in them. So let's crack on with our video. And as always, if you would like to download the spelling list, the link is in the description below for free. So our first word is the word thin. The greyhound was very thin. And the sounds of thin are th, I, thin. The next word on our list is the word bath. I went for a bath. And the sounds of bath are b, a, th, bath. The next word on our list is the word path. I went to walk on the path. And the sounds of path are p, a, th, path. Next on our list is the word moth. The moth was flying around the light. Moth. And the sounds of moth are a, th, moth. Math is the next word on our list. It's a subject at school where you might study numbers and reasoning. And the sounds of math are a, th, math. The next word on our list is the word thumb. The thumb is on the end of your hand. Thumb. And the sounds of thumb are th, thumb. And you might notice that the thumb has a B at the end of the word. You don't hear that B, so you might like to think of it as a silent B, or that the letters MB are a digraph and they just make the sound Next on our list is the word thank. I went to thank my friend with a thank you card. Thank. And the sounds of thank are th, a, k, thank. Next on our list is the word thing. You can say, I saw an amazing thing. And the sounds of thing are th, I, thing. Our next word is the word thick. I read a book that was so thick. And thick is the opposite of thin. And the sounds of thick are th, I, k, thick. The next word on our list is the word cloth. My clothes are made of cloth. Cloth. And the sounds of cloth are k, a, th, cloth. The next word on our list is the word teeth. I use my teeth to chew the burger. Teeth. And the sounds of teeth are t, I, th, teeth. Now teeth is actually a plural word. If you're talking about one, you use the word tooth. Our next word is the word breath. I took a deep breath. And the sounds of breath are b, e, breath. And you might notice the digraph EA. Sometimes it makes the sound E, but it can also make the sound E. The next word on our list is the word think. I like to think about my favorite song, think. And the sounds of think are th, I, k, think. Our next word is the word throne. The king sat on the throne. And the sounds of throne are th, o, throne. And it's got the silent E at the end, making the letter O say its name. Now this is different to the word thrown. You could say the ball was thrown, but that word is spelled differently. This is the throne that the king sits on. Our final word, our challenge word, is the word thousand. You could say, I can count to 1,000. And the sounds of thousand are th, ow, z, d, thousand. And you might notice that the letter S in that word is not making a S sound, it's making a Z sound. And that's something that you might have to learn by heart. Well, I have been Mr. Spelling. Thank you for watching this breakdown video. And if you want to download the PowerPoint and teach the lesson yourself, the link is in the description below. Bye!